So I kind of had to go and build it. And well, I'm pretty damn stoked. Holy shit. G'day everyone, welcome to another video by myself, Andrew DFT. So I recently created the Halo Infinite Assault Rifle, and it got me wondering what will be the remaining designs for the other UNSC weapons, especially the Halo Magnum. Now we all know the Magnum has had a huge variation of designs throughout the decade. It's gone from the Combat Evolved, to the Halo 2 variant, the Halo 3 version, and we can't of course forget the Halo ODST variant of that one, and all the way up to other designs such as the Halo 4 and Halo 5, but I'm pretty sure we're not going to see these ones making a return because, in my opinion, these were some of the least favorite designs for the community. But I think it's actually a safe bet to say that since they've gone back to more of the kind of military-styled grunge AR for the Infinite version, I think the Halo Reach Magnum is probably going to be one of the ones that will definitely have the most derived effect on whatever they choose to put in the game. So being an artist and all, I decided to see what a Halo Reach Magnum would look like with the Halo Infinite AR paint style, and well, it doesn't look pretty bad. Now taking the Halo Infinite Assault Rifle aesthetic and applying it to the Reach design isn't obviously going to make it a Halo Infinite, but it definitely gives it the possible look into what it could be. And for me, I actually really enjoyed this kind of art style they're going for in terms of the color palette. For me, the Reach designs were grungy, they were very authentic, they felt like a military-based weapon, and this still looks like it, and quite frankly, the color tone that they've got going is really fantastic. Now, I can't stress enough that this is not in any way the final result that will be in Halo Infinite. This is my personal projection as an artist, having spent a week building the Infinite Assault Rifle. Based on the color palette and the design and the aesthetic that it looks like Halo Infinite is taking, I'm pretty confident that this is what we'll be seeing in a few months, or at least when we get to see the material online. Now, if you would like to make this yourself and give it this paint job, you can grab the templates in the description box for free. It is just a Halo Reach Magnum until they actually release the information. Well, actually, let's say this. Once they have released the information, I will do a complete new overhaul of whatever the design happens to be with the templates for free, of course, and put out a new video correcting myself from this one. But that's about it. I just wanted to make a short little projection video because I'm very excited, and I'm sure you guys are too. Be sure to grab the template and edit any time you construct it and you want to share your product with me. You can on my Instagram, Andy_DFT. And well, I look forward to seeing all your builds. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. I can't wait to show you guys some more content and deliver once more information about Infinite is released. But until the next one, I'll catch you later.